Building emotional connection and keeping the spark alive in a relationship requires understanding human psychology. When a man starts to take your presence for granted or seems distant, subtle but powerful actions can reignite his longing for you. This video explores 15 proven psychological tricks to make him miss you while maintaining respect and balance in your relationship. Stay until the end for an insightful takeaway on self-worth and healthy dynamics in love. 1. Reduce the frequency of interactions. One of the simplest ways to create longing is by giving him space to miss you. When you're always available, there's no time for him to reflect on your absence. Example: Maria used to text her boyfriend every few hours, but she decided to focus on her fitness classes and hobbies instead. Within days, he started initiating conversations, curious about what she was up to. Psychology insight: people value what they fear losing. When you pull away, you give him the space to realize your worth. 2. Respect his space. Everyone needs personal time, and respecting his space not only makes him miss you, but also strengthens the relationship. Avoid overstepping boundaries. Let him have his me time while you enjoy your own. For example, don't expect constant updates when he's out with friends. Sarah noticed her partner enjoyed gaming nights with his friends. Instead of interrupting, she planned her own self-care evenings. Her partner later thanked her for being so understanding and missed her even more. 3. Don't respond immediately to calls or texts. Giving yourself time before replying to his texts or calls builds anticipation and keeps the interaction exciting. The next time he texts, wait a little before responding. Use this moment to focus on something else, whether it's work or a hobby. Example: Jane used to reply within seconds, but she decided to take a more relaxed approach. Her boyfriend soon commented on how he appreciated the mystery of her delayed responses, feeling more excited to hear from her. 4. Create fun, memorable encounters. The brain is wired to remember moments of joy and excitement. Plan surprising and fun activities to leave a lasting impression. Instead of a regular dinner date, suggest something adventurous like rock climbing or a paintball session. These unique experiences will stay with him long after they're over. Spontaneity fosters excitement and makes him look forward to spending time with you. 5. Use social media wisely. Social media can be a powerful tool to spark his interest, if used strategically. Avoid oversharing or appearing too available online. How to apply? Post selectively, showcasing moments where you're thriving. A photo of you laughing with friends or enjoying a sunset hike can subtly remind him of your vibrant life. What to avoid? Don't tag him unnecessarily, flood his feed with updates, or post quizzes like "Who's your soulmate?" These can come across as desperate and undermine your goal. 6. Leave something behind. This classic psychological trick plays on sensory memory. Leaving small items like a scarf or a hair clip at his place gives him subtle reminders of you. Example: when Anna forgot her favorite book at her boyfriend's apartment, he texted her saying he kept seeing it and thinking of her. It became a cute conversation starter and strengthened their bond. 7. Be mysterious. Keeping a little mystery alive in your relationship is a surefire way to keep him intrigued. Avoid sharing every detail of your life up front. When he asks what you're up to, say something playful like, "Oh, just planning something exciting, can't wait to tell you later." This leaves him curious and engaged. 8. Spend time with friends. Show him that your life doesn't revolve solely around him. Spend quality time with friends and share snippets of your fun moments. Example: Lisa shared a story on Instagram of her dinner date with girlfriends. Her boyfriend, seeing how much fun she was having, texted her asking when they could hang out again. 9. Find a signature scent. Scents are closely tied to memory and emotion. Wearing a specific perfume every time you meet him creates a sensory trigger he'll associate with you. Example: whenever Emily's boyfriend smelled lavender, the scent of her perfume, it brought back memories of their long evening walks, making him miss her even more. 10. End conversations first. Always being the one to keep a conversation going can make you appear too eager. Instead, be the first to end calls or texts occasionally, leaving him wanting more. How to apply? After a fun chat, say something like, "I've got an early day tomorrow. Let's catch up soon." This keeps the interaction exciting and shows you value your time. 11. Create an air of mystery. Mystery fosters curiosity, which in turn creates longing. Avoid sharing everything about yourself right away. Leave some layers for him to uncover. How to apply. Drop hints about exciting plans without fully revealing them. For example, I have something fun coming up next weekend. I'll tell you more later. 12. Appreciate him subtly. Acknowledging his efforts and showing gratitude creates positive reinforcement. When he feels valued, he'll want to be around you more. Example, I really appreciated how you helped me with something specific. It meant a lot. These small gestures make a big difference in emotional connection. 13. Slow down the pace. Rushing a relationship can burn out the spark quickly. Take your time and let things unfold naturally. Allow the relationship to progress at a balanced pace. When he has to invest effort and time, he'll value the connection more. 14. Be playfully jealous. A little jealousy done playfully can make him appreciate you more. Show subtle interest in who he's spending time with without being overbearing. Example, oh, your coworker sounds nice. Do you guys hang out often? This lighthearted approach keeps him on his toes without appearing insecure. 15. Maintain independence. Maintain your own identity outside of the relationship. Whether it's your career, hobbies, or social life, showing that you have a fulfilling life makes you more attractive. Story: Anna started volunteering at an animal shelter, and her boyfriend loved seeing how passionate she was about giving back. Her independence inspired him to invest more in their relationship. The key to making someone miss you lies in balance. These psychological tricks aren't about playing games, but creating dynamics that foster appreciation, excitement, and emotional connection. By valuing yourself and respecting your partner's individuality, you'll naturally become someone they cherish and long for. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dating Tips 101. Which of these tricks will you try first? Let us know in the comments.